Hello, I'm Derrick, and welcome to Virtual Business Creator. Here you gain insight into tech-savvy aspects, tips, and tricks of running an online business. If you've ever wondered whether a traditional brick-and-mortar setup is affordable, or if you ever thought about the complexities of operating online, rest assured that Virtual Business Creator is here to guide you. There are numerous advantages to transitioning your business into the digital realm, and we're here to guide you through them. Before we dive into the benefits of a virtual business, allow me to share a bit about my journey. My business started out as a hobby, where I started my own DIY YouTube channel. As it grew in popularity, so did the demands to transform my passion into a full-fledged business. Along this journey, I established my freelance media company, specializing in podcast creation, promotional videos, and company interviews, among other things. Throughout this course, you'll get introduced to the technical aspects of running a business. We'll address questions such as, what type of computer is ideal for my needs, or which financial software suits my business. Additionally, you'll explore the different payment processing options at your disposal. Rest assured, all these aspects and more will be covered. Now, you might be curious about the benefits of venturing into the world of online business. First, you get greater flexibility. So picture this. In the virtual business realm, you're not tied down to a specific place. You can work from the comfort of your home, while you're on vacation, or basically anywhere with a good internet connection. It's like having your office wherever you want it. Second is lower overhead cost. Now here's the money-saving part. Unlike these traditional brick-and-mortar setups that come with all these reoccurring costs, online businesses run significantly lower overhead. Translation, you won't feel the financial pinch, even during those slower times. It's like having a business that's easy on the wallet. And lastly, you get global reach. Okay, this one's important. When you're stuck with a physical location, your customer base is often limited to the people around your area. But guess what? In the virtual world, you can go global. As long as you can deliver your goods or services online, the entire world becomes your potential audience. So, if you dream of reaching people far and wide, an online business is where it's at. Whether you're just starting on your online business journey and contemplating an online presence, looking to transition from a brick-and-mortar model, or exploring a hybrid approach combining physical and online elements, Virtual Business Creator is your resource. We extend a warm welcome and thank you for letting us embark on this journey with you. One more thing to note. Throughout this course, you'll find reference documents that offer guidance, deeper insight, and valuable recommendations. Be sure to explore these documents accompanying the videos for a better learning experience. Thank you for joining us.